Welding power connector. Step 1. Turn on the electric soldering iron device switch. Adjust the temperature to 300 to 350 degrees Celsius, depending on the performance of different equipment. Step 2. Pick up the tweezers with your left hand. Clamp the power connector, adjust the direction, and align the power connector pin with the pad pin. Step 3. Pick up the electric soldering iron with your right hand. Use the tip of the soldering iron to heat and melt the tin wire. First, solder the first pin of the power connector, and then the other power connector's pins. Step 4. After the welding is completed, connect the control card, ribbon cable, and a power cable for lighting test.